You know I'll hit this thing and do the time for my niggas. And never say a thing
after high school and driving the truck now. You know, he's been chilling.
I got a track and shit I had did at another studio. You think you can fuck with it?
It's a track or is it a file?
He just put the whole file on, like, so I got all my takes and everything on there.
Yeah. Yeah. You want me to
put it up first?
Yeah.
With the homies, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
I'm here again now, man. King Cortez, Base Camp. This is real life.
Hey, how many times I shit ran down since you
Man.
trying to do that song, bro? Huh? Tell me the last time we was in here, how many times I song. That song probably down. I think the beat on there.
Hey, all the hoes gonna be on my joint tonight as well. When it's my birthday, they gonna all be trying to tell me happy birthday. I'm like, thank you to all my bitches. Who? You ain't got I got a kid. Hey, I got a kid on the cut, bro.
Black Royce, the ladies' choice with the gangster voice, aka the gangster to get the bitch panty points.
You fucked it up.
See, yeah, you saying it right.
Hey,
What I said.
hey, Chaos, man, let them know who it be, man.
Who it be?
Who we really be?
Mac Royce, the gangster voice. Well, no, I said that wrong too. Mac Voice, the giver's choice.
Voice.
With the lady's voice. Hey, I said it wrong. Alright, for real.
This nigga name is Mac Royce.
Mac Royce,
the lady's choice with the gangster voice. Get all these hoes moist.
AKA Mr. Get the Panties Moist.
AKA get the panties moist.
Then you got, you know, King Cortez over here, AKA Biz, AKA OG Bobby Johnson, AKA it's my turn. Hold on.
OG Bobby Bender. You gotta make it song.
Nah, don't get it.
Swerve over there, you know.
He always say that shit.
No.
He just that's
all
Mr.
these
10 toes
other
down.
niggas who trying to get their car.
Mr. 10
We got
toes down.
Cheese in there and they're working on his shit right now. Cheese and Bella. They over there rolling the weed off. This is what we do, studio life. Ace Camp, bitch.
Bobby Bender.
You want me to do that over?
Yeah, just that one.
I here with a whole nother frame like you're the fucking dude forgetting that I had your back, that I was down for you when you needed.
Alright, and then there was these other ones, I'll play them for you real quick. I just need you to go over this one part.
Okay. I can't believe you, fool. I'm trying to clear the view.
Just this section, then I'll stop you on that.
When you needed someone to talk.
Oh shit, oh shit. I ain't fucking with the niggas, and niggas is fraud, really they saw, but for them hoes they pretending they hard. And I'm the type of nigga who like to finish it off, so when it's time for war, they in front of you getting involved.
Another day, another dollar, drug dealer, could've been a doctor. You trust them niggas until they cross you. You can trust that hoe until she fuck your partner. Stripper bitch.
Another tag, roll another bag. I got you sitting stressing about the one you never had. I can be your man, baby, don't want no strings attached. I'm just a womanizer. Another tag, roll another bag. I got you sitting stressing about the one you never had. I can be your man, baby, don't want no strings attached. I'm just a womanizer. Ace Camp, bitch. Rolling another bag. I got you sitting stressing about the one you never had. I can be your man, baby, don't want the street to say. Rolling another bag. I got you sitting stressing about the one you never had. I can be your man, baby, don't want the street to say. They gotta get this first.
Oh, I get that. I got that.
Oh, you get it, bro. We still gonna move on.
I got that. They can't catch.
They never say they ain't gonna drop a dime on my niggas. If you ride for me, well then you know I'll ride with you. Now you know who gon' get you. Certified hard hitters.